Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Peak Design 3 litre sling. Now I picked this one up because I basically got all of the other Peak Design bags for this year and I hadn't got the 3 litre, and I've seen a couple of reviews and they said that it was a nice bag, so I thought I'd pick it up to do a review on and see if my camera equipment will fit into it. Right, so got some of the usual bits and bobs on here. Let's get this one off here first. I had to speed the video up because I couldn't get it off and I actually had to cut it off. Right, so I'll put some pictures in as always for that, and it just goes through. So there it is on your back, on your front. Don't forget to register your bags so that you get the guarantee. It's 400D shell and it's got the new zips, the same as the 6 litre that I reviewed earlier. So you've got one fold divider that you can change into different positions. Only comes with one because it's such a small space inside. You got the usual pockets inside with the zip, and this one does have an area on the bottom for a tripod, and you can also put your clips on the I think it's just on one side. I'll have a look in a minute. And it's got the straps included for the tripod as well. And you can use it as a waist bag as well if you've got a smaller waist. That just shows you there how you can set that up. So it's less than a pound in weight. It is a very nice lightweight bag. I will give them that. And it's a little bit shinier than some of the others, so hopefully the waterproofness is better. Right, there's the new zips. They are much smoother than the 5 litre that I have. Let's take all this stuff out. Some more silica gel. Don't eat that. Okay. And another packet. Okay. Right, this does not have an area in the back. Most of them have a little pop-out area that you can put an iPad or something. This one doesn't have one at all. Just has the divider in here, the same as all the others. 2 little pockets on each side, and it does have the stretchy sides as well. Right, so in here we've got a sticker and the 2 straps for the underneath tripod. Okay, in here we've only got 3 pockets this time, and they've all got black stitching, no red stitching. So overall it is a much smaller bag than the 5 litre, the 6 litre, or obviously the 10 litre. Inside here you've got a pocket that's not that deep. Let's just see if my iPhone will fit in here. Oh, it's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it does fit. So iPhone 11 Pro Max fits in the front pocket, and I think that's about all you get in there, but it does fit. With a leather case as well. That's quite bulky. Right, so on the back, nothing, just the handle. This handle is not big enough for a pass-through on a suitcase. And then we've got the D-rings on the bottom for the strap. The shoulder strap looks the same one that's on the 5 litre and the 6 litre. It's got the aluminium buckle again, and it's got the plastic retaining clips at the bottom. You've got the aluminium riveted eyes, so it allows it to flex, and you've got the aluminium clasp buckle in the middle here, so you can use it as a waist band as well by folding that over. They have increased the the thickness of the shoulder strap slightly, but it is a little bit narrower than the larger bags. But they're usually quite comfortable. I've never had any problems with comfort with these bags. I carry them all day with a camera and things in. Never had a problem. Right, so let's take out this little wedge and see what we can fit. It retains its shape nicely.
A few moments later.
Okay, right, so I've loaded it up. I've got the tripod on the bottom, and the clips are a little bit different to the 6-litre bag that I got. They fit much nicer, much easier to clip on and take off, as I will now show you. You need to loosen it a little bit. It's got elastic ties as well, so it keeps the loose ends out of the way, and they clip off much nicer than the 6-litre did. And I'll do the same this side, so you can just pull that and then lift that tab up, and it loosens it easily and effectively, and then they just pop off. And because they're designed so that they're pulling with the tension, so they can't unclip unless you want them to. Right, so that's the Joby 3L, I believe. So it's not the smallest one, and it's not the largest one, it's the one in the middle. Right, so inside here, I've got my Canon EOS R with a 24-105L lens. Okay, and that's also including the EF to RF mount, so that adds another 1.5 inches. Inside the pocket here we have two batteries and 2 memory cards in their protective cases. And in the front I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, so that's everything I need when I'm going out on a photography shoot or video, and it's all fit into the 3-litre. I did try it on as well, and it feels just as comfortable as the 6-litre, and that's excellent for me. I usually shoot with the 24-105 because it's just a great lens to take out, and you can cover anything with it. You can do portraits with it if you wish as well. So great little bag, looking forward to using it. Right, so here I'll just give you the example of the sizes. So you've got the 3-litre, the 5-litre and the 6. The 5-litre obviously was the version before, so it's got the older style zips. But as you can see, size wise it doesn't look much different, and it doesn't feel much different. This one, again, it only has one divider, and I don't think I've had anything extra. Yeah, just the 6D Mark II I used to carry in that, maybe a little bit longer. This one has the flex fold parts here to stop things from falling out, and this one doesn't. So if you've got a lens stacked up, it is possible to have the lens fall out of the bag with the 5-litre, but with the 3-litre and the 6-litre, they both have that same elasticated band to stop things from falling out, and it is quite useful. So that's the size difference. 6-litre's got 2 of the dividers, and it's a much bigger bag, obviously twice the size. But for me, I'm going to use the 3-litre from now on, and until they bring out their new series of bags, I think it will do me nicely. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.